I don't feel alone in my hustle. I don't feel alone in my career. I don't feel alone in my trading. And that's why I'm ready to carry everybody along in this my trading journey. And I want to make sure I document every part of my trading which I achieve what I'm looking up for, because I believe that everybody is looking up for something. Whatever you are doing, if you're a trader or whatever you are doing, I believe that one day that you achieve a success in what you are doing. And that's why in this YouTube channel, I'm not waiting minutes I buy a Lamborghini, or waiting minutes I get what I want from trading, to make sure that I have to teach anyone, a part of you guys that have been subscribing in this channel. All I want is for you to grow with me as I'm going, everybody's going together. And that's why in this video, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to teach you guys these 4 or 5 steps, and make sure that in the last one you pay attention, because the last one is really going to help you in the last part of my 2 years in trading, because I've been trading for over 4 years right now, and I've been believing that I'll find consistency in my trading. And I believe that one thing I must let you know, that trading is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not what you rush. It's not what you rush. It's not what you think that you're going to make it out of 1 year or 2 years. Yeah, you can learn the strategy. You can be perfect in analyzing trade. You can be perfect in anything you are doing. You can be perfect in your risk management. But if you are not perfect in your psychological state of mind, where you master how you think about money, how you think about how money works, you're not going to really get it right from trading. So that's why I'm still in my state where I'm making money, I'm being consistent, and also struggling in other part of me, struggling in other psychological part of me to balance it up, and which I'm really going to thank God for me being here, sitting in this position to educate you that is watching this video. If you are new to this channel, all I can ask you to just subscribe to the YouTube channel to help us grow, to push out new content like this, to make sure that everybody in YouTube, everybody in the trading space gets consistency. So I trade forex and also trade binary options. So in the trading space, we have learned that we can also trade whatever you want. You can also risk whatever you want to risk. But these are 5 things which you must really be very careful about when you are trading, whenever you're losing streak, or whenever you don't feel so emotionally strong to play trade. So stay calm and don't panic. Yeah, the first one is that you have to stay calm and don't panic whatever is going on in your trading. Whatever you are losing, if you're in a losing streak, you must make sure you stay calm and you don't panic on your trades. Staying calm can make you make right decisions. You panicking in your trade can make you not to make right decisions, because when you stay calm on even though you are losing today, or you are losing up your profit challenge, or you are losing up whatever business issues, you got to really stay calm and devote your time to craft your age. Time heals everything. As the time goes on, you understand that things that you think that is not really working for you is going to work better. Sticking to your trading strategy can enable you to master the art of trading, because you sticking to your trading strategy even in a bad time, even in a time that everything is going worse. I can really tell you a story about myself. Really, in the years gone, in these 4 years that I've been in trading, I've learned so many things. I've been experienced in trading. No matter what is really happening, you guys need to stick to your strategy. There was a time that I really had a money to fund account. I grew my account from $150 to a bigger amount, which about $3,000. But if I tell you that at the last end, when I deviated trying to change strategy, that's when I messed everything up. I lost that amount and I lost my trading balance, because I was really trying to figure out things. I was really trying to figure out the strategy that is best for me, to figure out the strategy that is most suitable for what I'm doing. So me trying to shift from my old ways to my new ways will take time for me to craft a new ways. That's why if you master a one strategy, you make sure you master that strategy and be the best of the best. Know when your setup arrive and you trade your setup. Analyzing your trade can enable you to analyze your trade. Yes, you can really analyze your trade, and you can still really be master at analyzing trade. But one thing you must really be careful when you are trying to focus much on technical analysis than other things, because we have technical analysis and we have fundamental analysis, and also we have psychological effects in terms of analysis, because psychological effect, if you don't master a psychological effect in trading, it's going to ruin your trading account, it's going to ruin whatever you are going to do. So that's why even though you're analyzing your trade, you analyze your trade and try to balance it up, balance all things up in a way that you master this and also master the other one. You're not going to push your effects to a one side effect. So if you are trading and you are looking up to analyze your trade, you analyze your trade based on higher time frame to a lower time frame. So when you analyze on a bigger time frame, it gives you that advantage to get a more high profitable setup than in the lower time frame. Analysis doesn't base only on analyzing charts, knowing what's going to happen, knowing what is going to really happen in the long run. You can also analyze and track your losses and also track your winning. You are tracking your losses and your winning gives you a much high chance to be on a better position, because in a way that you analyze only your winnings but you don't analyze your losses, it will make you not to know what you are doing wrong. It will make you not to know when you are doing things wrong. So you analyze the losses and also analyze the winning rates to know your potential, to know what you are doing wrong or what you are doing right.
Okay, by the time I was recording this video, the lights went off and let's go outside.
There's a lot of things that beginners don't know when it comes to trading, that you can't rush the process. What is meant to be is meant to be, and trading will take you a long time to master the craft of learning the strategy and master a craft of learning how you can trade, and you having a proper psychology of the trading. Because if you don't know how money works, you think that money is what you can make in a short period of time. So some gurus will tell you that all you need to learn is 3 months or 1 month, you learn the art of trading and start making money, which I think that it doesn't work that way. When you start understanding the process of trading is when you know that strategy, you can learn a strategy within a month, but the art of making money, the art of being consistent is what really know that you really need to give yourself time. What I do most times, anytime I'm losing or anytime I feel bad about my trade or anytime I feel like I'm not that emotionally strong, I give myself a time, like I give myself 1 week, 2 weeks, sometimes I give myself 1 month. Subscribe to the YouTube channel because it helps the algorithm to push our content